Hello everyone, I am Satvik. I am representing my team G class. Why water is essential? Nearly 70% of our human body is made of water. We use water on a daily basis for drinking, for cleaning, and every other thing we use water. So, what are the main causes of pollution? Industrial discharges, sewage and domestic water waste, agricultural runoff, deforestation and soil erosion, inadequate infrastructure. These are the major problems that we are facing because of pollution. So why only Ganga? Why not other rivers? Nearly 43% of Indian population are dependent on Ganga. Ganga is a very sacred river. It is a tourism spot. It represents our culture. So Ganga cleaning is very much important for us. What are the problems that our model is going to solve? Our model is going to bring awareness among the people. So bringing awareness among the people can solve these problems like sewage and domestic water waste, agricultural runoff, deforestation and soil erosion. On the 37th meeting of NMGC, National Mission for Cleaning Ganga, Chacha Chaudhary was declared as a mascot for Namami Gange program. This is our architecture. The architecture has a large language model which is trained as Chacha Chaudhary. It also has a self-learning system to optimize the model. It has a database which has all the information about rivers. The digital avatar only has a web interface which connects to the server and fetches the details which it required. The robot has a large language model trained as Chacha Chaudhary, and also we have natural language processing to understand humans in a better way. We use RMA to optimize the motion of robot. The digital avatar has a web interface through which it can communicate with the server to get the response as Chacha Chaudhary. Our robot consists of a display on which we display the avatar of Chacha Chaudhary. It also has a camera and speaker to interact with the people. It also has another display to interact with the people. The robot has wheels to move which are controlled by the RMA. All the hardware of the robot like Jetson Nano and all the processing units are stored inside the robot itself. When an input is given by a person, robot has a language model within itself which gives a relevant answer to the given input. The robot need not have an active internet connection because the LLM within the robot updates itself when it is connected to the server to optimize the overall model.
So let's keep the rivers clean and the earth evergreen. Thank you.